Hey, what's up, all you Hot Wheel lovers out there? Today I picked up a pretty good little hunt haul from Walmart. Figured I'll show it to you. Little tailgate showing here. Let's get started. I've got a little Dodge van, little HW Racing. From HW Vans. Pretty cool. I picked up a little Tune D83 Chevy Silverado. I picked up a 98 Subaru Impreza 22B STI version. Whatever all that means, I don't know. From the HW 70s versus 90s. And I picked up a little Gulf Oil 70 Dodge Charger. Trying to get the whole set. It's pretty neat because I'm a Dodge Charger man. And I got a Hakko Top D, whatever that is. It's new for 2025, HWJ Imports. Don't know. And I got a Cadillac Project GTP Hypercar. Hypercar. Then I gotta dune it up. Dune it up. Sporty little dune buggy. It's pretty neat. Don't know if I've ever seen one of y'all. It's pretty neat though. And I got a 71 Lamborghini Miura SUV. How you pronounce that? That's what it looks like. It's pretty cool. And I got a Silverado EV RST. From the EV series. It's pretty neat. Got a Porsche 904 Carrera GTS. Kind of a weird color. Overall, pretty cool though. picked up a Gordon Murray Automotive T33 factory fresh, new for 2025. Then I got another 71 Lamborghini I also got. And I got another Porsche 904. A mid-mill, whatever that is, but it's not bad looking. From the Rod Squad. It's pretty cool, to tell you the truth. And I got a Roadster. It's pretty cool. It's pretty green. Pretty green. It's pretty nice. Wheels a little different on it. I got a Toyota GR86 Cup. It's pretty colors on it. It's pretty neat. Compact Kings. I got a 70 Dodge Power Wagon. These just some cool looking trucks to me. They are. I like the color combination and everything. Nice. I got a Porsche 911 GT3. It's a pretty cool car. Pretty colors. Then I got the 69 Corvette Racer, Valentine's Day. From the Celebration Racers. It's pretty cool. And then last, got the 15 Mazda MX-5 Miata. Yeah, convertible. It's not bad. That's pretty nice. From the Compact Kings. Anyway, thank you for watching. Check out all my other videos out at 164 Scale Racing, please. Please like and subscribe. Never know what you're gonna find on here. Got all kinds of cars. Check them all out. Please like and subscribe. We'll see you guys later. Thank you. Bye.